Good afternoon, everyone. Jason here. Today is June 28th, and this is your aftermarket update. All right, we had a really nice day here at the Oil Trading Group. In fact, we're on the heels of a 4-day winning streak this week. We have not lost a trading day this week, and so that is obviously really positive. Unlike yesterday, where we just missed having two really nice trades, we got stopped out to the tick once before it hit our 50-tick target. And then we got trail stopped out by a couple of ticks before it went on for another 50 ticks. Now, we did end positive yesterday, but it could have been so much better had we not been trail stopped out, but that happens. But today was a different set of circumstances altogether. We had a couple of really decent trades. A CL trade that actually got to a target that we had wanted to get to. Let's talk about it really quickly. Expand this out. We'll come back here. And so this morning, we were looking actually to target this area right here, right? This area that I have highlighted in blue. We were looking to target 30, but 21 was where our support resistance area was. And what we understand about these support resistance areas is that it is a 10-tick window on either side. So really what we were looking for is to get up to 30. We were long from 60 here this morning, right here off of the structure mid, right here at 58. And we were looking to get long right in this area here. We were using that idea in conjunction with our time-based bars. It's a little easier to see on your time-based bars what we were looking for here. If you come back here to early this morning, we did not have a bar really. They got a close below this structure mid. We had one close here and an open here, and really the market just continued to rally. So we were looking at this as an idea. We knew that the underlying theme here today was bullish and that the market was poised to go higher. So we ignored this potential short signal here and really focused on getting long off of this level here. We did rally up all the way up to 10 before it came back and took us out for a 2.5 to 1 risk-reward ratio. The market does ultimately come back down, give you a 3-bar pattern off that same area that we were getting long from, and then the market really just kind of goes crazy. If you look, that's that same area we were long from earlier at 60. We were looking to target around 30, and then the market really just goes up and away for almost 100 ticks out of that zone, if not a little higher. Anyway, I did not capture all of that. What I did capture today was a 4 to 1 risk-reward trade on the ES. So if you come back here to the early part of the session today, one of the things that we talked about if you were in the trade room is I don't like to go long in one, like I was in on the CL, and short in the other. And so what we talked about as the market was rallying here on the ES is that this area here would be a good location to get short. So about the time this market rallied back up over the top and gave you another 3-bar pattern, I was getting out at a 2.5 to 1 risk reward on the CL. And the market comes down here underneath this structure mid, and then again underneath the ETH session open price. I took a short at 0475, and we were looking to hang on for this target down here at 95.75, and that was our 9-point ES move that we were looking for here, 95.75. And so 0475, 95.75, 9 points we were looking to get down here on the ES, and eventually does come out and take out that level. And then we ended for the day. But what is really cool about this is you got your next 3-bar pattern right off of this structure signal, right into the exact same area that it came from. So if you were so inclined, you could have gone coast to coast for 2 9-point moves here on the ES. Now, I did not do that, as I'm telling you here. I only took the one trade because if you look at the P&L up here on the price ladders, we were up about 71 total ticks today on 2 trades. And so for me, that was enough. I don't like to give, try not to give ticks back if I can. And we had 2 really nice trades to start the day, so that was good for me. These are, again, reminder, these are just one lot. So the risk is really low and the reward is very high. So again, that's kind of the way it went today. Normally what I'll do is show you how to, or I'll show you these trades, and normally they last a long time. This ES trade lasted about 4.5 minutes. And so I'm going to let you listen to the entire trade today. You're going to see me get in, and then you're going to hear me talk through the trade until it goes all the way to our target about 4.5 minutes later. So I'm going to show you that here, but before I do that, I just want to say thank you again for the interest in watching our videos here at the Oil Trading Group. And I'm hopeful that we can see you in the free trial room here soon. So without further ado, here is the OTG WTR ES trade of the day. Right against your structure mid. I am in 0475. Stop is 0675. 07 is the stop. the target here, the target is 95.75 underneath you. Okay, Hafiz. 95.75 is the target underneath you on the ES. And I think I'm going to have been, it's one of these where I'm going to have been shaken out on this CL. All right, so here it is. You're against this structure mid on the ES, right? So here's your time-based idea. Oh, that's your CL, sorry. Here's your time-based idea here, right? And so you came up into this structure mid. It was as high as 07 quarter. Need a bar to get down through. You're looking to target down here into this 95.75 underneath. And so we need to break down. You need a bar. You'd like to see a bar close underneath this 03 quarter. There's 03 quarter. That's a double bottom. And let's bring the trail stop here on the ES now to break even. And we'll see if we can get a bar to close underneath that 03 quarter. And you're targeting 95 underneath you here. All right, here we go, baby. Let's go. Get underneath it. 95.75 is your target on the ES. You're 4 points ES positive. Let's bring this to 2 points positive on the protection. 95.75. We may pause a line of liquidity around 98 underneath. There's 5 points on the ES right there. I think that's 5 points if I'm doing the math right. Yeah, there we go. Let's go ahead and protect 3 points here on the ES. 95.75 is your target. Right against your structure mid up there. Let's protect 4 points as this thing is now humming. Pick the right spot. Got to get through that 98. Let's bring the trail stop here to 00 quarter. Got to get through 98. I told you there was liquidity down there at 98. We got to fight through. 95.75 is the target. 95.75 is the target. There's 97.5. Bring this down here to 98.75 on the trail stop. There's 06.75. That's 9 points. No, that's not. That's 8 points. 98.75 is the target here. Again, 3-bar pattern and time-based bar against your structure mid-level. And we're looking to reach out to this structure signal underneath. 98.75 is my stop. 05.75 is the target. There's quarter. Bring the trail stop to 97.75 here. And there's my target. There's your target.